It has been said that culture is created when people have a common sense of purpose. And so what is the purpose here at Tampa Preparatory School? Our purpose is very simple. We do what's best for children. Kids that have come here tonight, I am so glad to see your young faces. I want to tell you about the coin of the realm should you decide to come to Tampa Prep. We absolutely are committed to the responsibility of putting kids in the place that they have the tools and skills necessary to succeed and lead in the future.
There's many things I love about this school. I love all the clubs, the activities they do.
When I walked into Tampa Prep, they were all really helpful and they were really welcoming, and I felt like I belonged here.
The reason that we like Tampa Prep and we chose Tampa Prep for our kids is because it has helped our kids, and it will help our kids to innovate, create, and discover new things.
The mission of this school is to help children think, create, be themselves, aspire to excellence, and go beyond. To be more than a college preparatory school, a preparation for life with a higher purpose than self. And I thank you very much for taking some of your precious time out of your evening to come here to Tampa Prep and see us. We're here to inspire next, the next great discoveries, innovations, and creation. We are Tampa Prep, Florida's most innovative school.